Welcome to this lesson on placing the TouchCare Nano sensor. In this section, we will focus on correctly placing the TouchCare Nano sensor to ensure accurate glucose readings and comfortable wear. Let's go through the process step by step. 1. Supplies. To successfully place the sensor, gather the following supplies: a TouchCare Nano sensor package with a loaded inserter, a TouchCare Nano transmitter, and alcohol wipes for hygiene. 2. Inserting the sensor. Follow these steps for proper insertion. Start by washing your hands with soap and water and allow them to air dry. Now choose a flat and pinchable vertical placement site on the back of the upper arm. For children with very little subcutaneous fat in the upper arm, the upper buttocks may be a suitable alternative site. Clean it with an alcohol wipe and let it air dry completely. Open the sensor package. Gently remove the sensor. Use your thumb and index finger to bend off the safety lock by pushing it to the left or right. Remove the 2 pieces of protective liners. Avoid touching the adhesive area. Place the sensor vertically on the back of the upper arm. Place 1 finger on the top of the inserter and apply gentle downward pressure toward the skin to ensure the adhesive is securely attached to the skin. While maintaining pressure, press the gray button firmly until you hear a click to insert the sensor. Remove the inserter perpendicularly away from the sensor base and make the sensor base remains on the skin. Discard the inserter into a sharps container. Now it's time to attach the transmitter. The triangle symbol on the transmitter should align with the rounded edge that extends from the sensor base. Keep the transmitter parallel to the sensor base, then snap it in. Make sure the transmitter is securely connected. The green indicator light on the transmitter will flash 3 times after a successful connection. It will flash another 6 times within 1 minute, indicating the system check has finished. Run your finger around the edge of the adhesive pad to make sure the pad remains tightly adhered to your skin. 3. Removing the sensor. When the 14-day wear period is over, or if early removal is necessary, follow these steps. Under normal use, the sensor session will end automatically after 14 days. After that, you can remove the sensor from your body. If removing early, disconnect the sensor from the PDM or dedicated mobile app first. Gently lift the edge of the adhesive tape from your skin and remove the sensor and transmitter. We recommend that you wipe around the tape with alcohol wipes or baby oil to make the tape peel off easily. Hold the tab on the sensor base and fold it down to break the base. Using your thumb, push the transmitter slightly forward in a horizontal direction to separate it from the base. Gently pull the transmitter away from the sensor base. Safely discard the sensor and reuse the transmitter. Please charge the transmitter. 4. Do's and don'ts. Before using the transmitter for the first time, make sure the battery is fully charged. For the very first charge, allow about 2 hours to fully power up the transmitter. After that, it's recommended to recharge the transmitter after each sensor session. This should not take longer than 20 minutes. To charge the transmitter, use the charging cable included in the transmitter box, along with a power adapter that delivers exactly 5 volts. Using the correct adapter helps ensure safe and efficient charging. Connect the USB end of the charging cable to the adapter's USB port, plug in the power adapter. Align the transmitter parallel to the charging dock and snap it in securely. The indicator light on the transmitter will flash green, indicating that the transmitter is being charged. If it doesn't immediately flash green, don't worry, as it may take some time. Once it's fully charged, the green indicator light will turn off. Remove the transmitter from the dock once it's fully charged to prevent battery degradation. For added security, and to keep the transmitter from moving, it is strongly recommended that you apply a double-sided overtape to the transmitter. Prepare the enhanced tape. Turn the white part of the tape to your face. Peel off the sticky paper on the top. Hold one side of the enhanced tape and then peel off the sticky paper on the bottom. Peel off the round part of the white paper liners. Do not remove the smaller part of the overtape just yet. Hold the blue overtape by its covered ends and position it according to the head direction of the CGM. Now apply one side of the blue over tapes so that it covers the center of the transmitter, and apply the other side of the tape directly on your skin. The hole in the center of the tape should fully expose the transmitter. Smooth down the tape on your skin to reduce air pockets. Now remove the smaller part of the white paper liners and press the remaining overtapes against your skin. Peel off the blue protective film with the overtape, leaving only the transparent layer on your skin. Run your fingers around the edges of the overtape to further secure the adhesion. Save your transmitter serial number and sensor code for future use. Taking a picture is a helpful backup. For technical assistance, refer to the official Medtrum support team. By following these guidelines and troubleshooting steps, you can confidently place and remove your TouchCare Nano sensor, ensuring optimal performance and reliable glucose monitoring.